Tuskabusio mwanjo murigari abara y'abasubati kurura se chibunge awe Ense ya Kenya nigo bakora hukumirana kwa masabo ime y'umubaganyo yomo aigaso mucho Nairobi mambi ya rero uyura n'umumna humotani bwense Mheshimiwa Ruto ase baboriwe kwene kyabunanko yasabira bare Ense ya Kenya.
Mung'ina Ruto nigasingira gotabuna abasubati mbale n'ense menene ase omurembe bwense ekeraborire chinting'ana ky'amasabo n'okwegena bairiri bagaria bene gokora amasaba amakongo ase eng'encho y'amaberera gesiasa n'amakongo abakenya bagwetera sensemo ya uchumi.
And from elsewhere, I know other people will do that, but I know I heard the Lord tell me that we take time to pray for our nation. To pray for our nation, Kenya. I know I'm talking to intercessors right here. I know I'm talking to prayer warriors. But I think it was one of this month of June, I feel in my spirit that we need to take time to pray for the month of June. Jeremiah 29:7 says, pray for the peace of the city. I want us to have that verse as our anchor verse as we go into June and July and pray for our nation. If you're able to pray and fast, that is good. Let's pray as individuals. Let's pray as colleagues. Let's pray as prayer mates. Let's pray as the church. Let's pray for our nation. You know, it's Prophet Teresia Wairimo who says, we don't have another nation. This is our nation. And I echo those words, that we are not going anywhere. This is our nation, and God has blessed us with a great nation. And so, as intercessors and women and men of God, we have to continue praying for our nation, because definitely, you know, the enemy is not asleep. And as the mother of the nation, allow me to request the entire nation of Kenya to pray. I know we've been praying, but this month of June and July is going to be very crucial. Let's not get tired, but let's pray for our nation, according to Jeremiah 29:7. Pray for the peace